comes into your life, it's asking you to work with the following energies: gentleness, grace, beauty, healing, caring, love, shy, sensitive, swift, alert, cautious, intuitive. Be gentle with yourself. You heal with the power of love. See the light in all things. Acknowledge your self-worth and grace. Deer are watchful and wary. The vigilance helps them remain safe. Deer love a new path, adventure and lots of variety. Just watch them nibble through a garden. They love to taste all of life. Deer people are refined, loving and graceful. If deer is your totem, you instinctively know the benefits of plants and herbs. Plant knowledge, along with gentle compassion, is essential to your healing nature. You might sometimes feel victimized because others take advantage of your kindness and generosity. If this happens, retake control by invoking the energy of stag, which demands respect and sets strong territorial boundaries. Deer people naturally know who their enemies are and will artfully steer clear of them. If a deer person is your friend, pay attention to their intuitive advice. Deer are hard to fool. Let the natural harmony of deer create a gentle peace for your world. Questions for you to reflect upon. Have you forgotten your need for a safe haven? Are you bounding ahead of yourself? Slow down. Is your digestion affected by too many foods? Eat simply. Set boundaries and do not allow abuse.